Yes, this is Dove TV once again. I welcome you on our channel, Dove TV. The topic of today is about air conditioning and refrigeration. So, we are going to focus on it from the starting till to the end. We are going to start with the basic one, where I'm going to show you how you can make your own fridge, either at home or industrial. The basic components you must have is compressor, pneumatic compressor or any kind of compressor, condenser. After condenser, you must have expansion device. After expansion, you have evaporator, and from evaporator to compressor. For some explanation about such components, from compressor has its function of allowing the refrigerant to circulate to the whole system, because it acts as heart in human body. You know, the heart in human body pump blood to the whole parts of the body. So also compressor work in such phenomenon. Refrigerants leave from compressor going to condenser, where it become condensed and become liquid. Then from condenser to receiver here, from receiver to filter dryer. Here there is some other components which can be used, but not always necessary to use it, because most of the time has another function. Then from filter to expansion, here in expansion, refrigerant are expanded from liquid refrigerant to vapor refrigerant, and then to evaporator. This is where refrigerant become evaporated. And remember, in the evaporator, it is where you put all product you want to be cooled. Yes. In the evaporator, we know that heat are removed from the product and absorbed by the refrigerant, which is passing through this coil, and then from evaporator to accumulator. Most of the time accumulator is not important, but for more surface, accumulator is important, because to prevent the compressor from damaging, because it separates any kind of moisture to enter to the compressor. Yes, by following this instruction, you can start fabricating your own fridge. You see, this is the back side of the fridge. As you see here, it is where the components of such fridge is. As I've seen, this is a compressor, expansion device, and other components where refrigerant pass through, and then to the evaporator inside the fridge to perform the work. The refrigerant leave from this compressor and then are pumped through the condenser and carrying all the heat from the evaporator and back again to the compressor. Yes, after looking the refrigerant, after looking the refrigeration circuit, now you can make your own fridge As you see it here, this is a fridge which has different chambers according to what you want to put inside. And then by following such instruction from the content given, you can make your own fridge. Yes, here is inside there. It is where the coils are coiled, and remember here is the evaporation where products are exposed so as heat are removed from such product and carried by the refrigerant.